Hey, I brought the ZX6 in, 40th anniversary edition at Kawasaki Suzuki of Rome in Rome, Georgia. And I just wanted to get your first impression. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, good morning. We are going to take the ZX6 out for its first ride with all these mods on it, see how they hold up. So we'll go ahead and get a cold start. All right. Sounding good. All right. Not a whole lot of talking on this video here. I'm just going to head out to the dealer. Let them take a look at it, see what they think. I got to pick up a couple parts. But the main reason, I'm just going to make sure everything is in place and holding tight. And then we'll make adjustments from there. So let's take off. Welcome back to the NINJAof1 YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you all the mods and introduce you to my good friend Chris at Kawasaki Suzuki of Rome in Rome, Georgia. Hey Chris, what's going on?
What's going on?
Hey, I brought the ZX6 in, 40th anniversary edition at Kawasaki Suzuki of Rome in Rome, Georgia, and I just wanted to get your first impression. What do you think?
Yeah, I like the fender eliminator you got here, and you got the dampener on. Paint pads, very nice.
This would have never happened without you, because I mean, you are the expert
in the parts there.
Yeah, you're definitely the expert when it comes to parts. So I highly recommend anybody having any ATV, UTV, dirt bike, street bike, trail, you name it. Chris is the man for any of the parts, and of course the service here at Kawasaki Suzuki of Rome. So hey Chris, thanks again, man.
Anytime.
And we're just getting started because I want to order the Graves Shorty full exhaust today. I want to go ahead and order that today.
I like how you done the dampener there. Got that under there.
Yeah, I got the ram mount under there.
Under it, yeah.
Yeah, and it's pretty steady.
Yeah.
I wrote it in.
It's under there for clearance.
Yeah, plenty of clearance there. And then, of course, you know, what you got for my birthday, you know, the air cleaner and, you know, the K&N, and then the Block-off Plates from PSR. We'll get that all on. We'll get that on when we do the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
And then do a flash. Of course, we'll remove the emission canister and everything else that's on here that's emission related. But other than that, all we got to do then is just get some racetrack fairings.
Yeah. You're on the track. And the first oil change already?
Already did the first oil change, yeah. Got it all cleaned up so I didn't get any oil dripping down the engine.
I see that. Yeah, these look good. The lines on them, they look really clean.
Yeah, and I left the stock adhesive on there, and I just trimmed it on the backside just off this edge. And these are cupped. These edges are cupped, so when you press it on there without the gummy on the edge, it really seats well, and it grips well too. So,
very cool.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun here.
Yep, fun to trick them out and make it your own.
Again, Chris, thank you for
anytime.
all your help and getting these parts and the future parts we got going on. So, well, I know you're really busy today. You got a lot of sales going on. Oh my goodness, look at all these bikes are going out today.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, now I'm in the main office with Denise LeMaster. She's the owner of the business here. So, Denise, did you get a chance to look at the ZX6R?
I did.
All the mods? So what did you think?
I think they're fabulous.
Awesome. Yeah, and of course with Chris, your son, providing all the parts, man, it was easy. It was really easy to put them together. So, hey, I just wanted to say thank you.
You're very welcome.
And then over here we have our lovely Erica, and she's the daughter-in-law of the owner here. And Erica, do you have anything to say about the bike after looking at it?
I love it. I think it's beautiful.
You do? Thank you. Well, thank you again, guys. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to go get Jimmy and let him get first look at it.
Thank you, Chris.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, good morning, everybody. I got Jimmy LeMaster, the owner of Kawasaki Suzuki of Rome. And him and his staff have been awesome. I can't tell you a better experience that anyone can have in purchasing a bike and then purchasing parts and service and anything else you want from them. Jimmy's there. So Jimmy, what do you think of the ZX6R now?
Oh, it's sharp. I like all the things you've done. It's tricked out. It just makes a great looking bike look impressive. Everybody needs one.
Awesome. Yeah, so what I can do is show you what mods I have done, right? So I got the ram mount here.
I see that.
Okay, and then I got the steering damper, and then we got the tank pads, and then we got the firepower lithium under the seat, and we have a pigtail down there for a battery tender. And then we got the pillion cowl here, and then we have the fender eliminator from Yoshimura.
Yes, check it out. Now, all these are great upgrades that everybody should do that just enhances the looks of this machine.
I agree, totally. You want to sit on it?
The damper in here is a great performance asset if you'd like to take the twisters fast. And I bet I could get up to my 100-mile-an-hour limit very quick. After that,
well, try putting your leg up on the peg just to feel the your inner thigh there. How does that feel?
Great. Feels like I'm really tucked in, ready to race.
It's ready to grip. Yeah, cool.
Great job. Good job.
Well, this is just the summer mod, so we're going to get a full exhaust from Graves, and I'm going to order it from you guys. And then we'll get I already got the block-off plates and a K&N air filter for it. So, and then of course we'll get an ECU flash on it. And I'm not sure where I'm going to go for that, but we'll have this thing maxed out probably in September, October, and then we'll start shopping around for racetrack fairings.
Track day's coming.
Yeah, it is. Well, thanks again, Jimmy. I appreciate everything you've done, and looking forward to doing more modifications on this and the other bikes I have. So great. Thank you.